Welcome to Trich Institute, and in today's Ceph storage tutorial series we'll be discussing about how you can manage a Ceph pool. So in this episode we'll be trying to cover the topics like how you can list down the existing pools, how you can create a new pool, and then how you can set the pool quotas, and then if you want how you can delete the pools, and if you want to rename a pool, or how you can enable the application or disable the application type for a pool, and at last we'll try to see how you can set the number of replicas for your pool. So let's start the demonstration. So for my demo I'm using Chef Quincy version 17.2.5, so you can see Ceph versions. So this is the community edition, but similar steps can be followed for Red Hat Ceph storage 4 or 5, or even upcoming the 6th version also, and for Suse Ceph storage also. So all that it will be same for all the versions. So first thing, if you want to list down the existing Ceph pools, so you do Ceph OSD ls pools. So this will list down all the pools. If you want to see their usage, so you use Ceph df command. So this will give you the pool details along with their size, how many pgs are there, how many objects are stored, how much usage is there, all the information you will get from there. So once you do that, if you want to create a new pool, so you can go ahead with the default crush rules and all, and if you have separate crush rule you can use that also. So I have created separate crush rule, so you can see high performance. So I want to use this to create my new pool. So what I'll do, Ceph OSD pool create, let's say my pool. um, I want to give 16 as the PG number and PGP number, 16 and 16. So I want to create it as a replicated pool, and then the crush policy say high performance. So once you do that, it will be created. So you can verify again from Ceph df command. So you can see that my pool is created with 16 PG numbers, and there's no objects are stored yet. So once you've done that, if you want to put a quota for your pool, so you do Ceph OSD pool, my pool, then set hyphen quota, then you put max object. So either you can put it with objects or you can put a size. So let's say I want to put only 10 objects. So sorry, Ceph OSD pool set quota my pool max underscore objects 10. So it will set the quota. Now if I want to put for size, so it will be max underscore bytes. So let's say I want to put 1024 bytes only. So that's all. Now if you want to remove the quota, it's very easy. You just put the value as 0. So it will remove the quota from that pool. Now let's say you want to delete your pool. So say OSD ls pools. So let's say I want to delete this hyper pool. So how you can delete that? Say OSD pool delete. You have to repeat 2 times this pool name and give enter. So you can see it is not allowing to destroy you. You need to put this particular flag along with your command. So still you will see it is not deleted, because in Ceph cluster level deletion of pools are disabled. So to delete these pools you need to enable this particular flag. So for that you do Ceph tail mon dot slash. So it will set for all the monitors that inject arguments. So you are injecting arguments that hyphen equals to true. So once you set this thing and enter, you'll see like for all the mons this is set true. Now if I try to delete the pool, so you should see the pool is deleted. So once you're done with deletion of pool, don't forget to remove this flag, because if you keep it enabled, if someone accidentally run the deletion command where he should not delete the pool, that pool will be deleted. So as soon as you are done with your deletion, just reset it back to false. So like this you can delete the pool. Now I want to rename our existing pool. So let's say my pool, I want to rename it to some other thing. So for that, say FOSD pool, rename my pool to, let's say, data pool. So first is old name, then the new name. It will be renaming the pool. Now, once you create a pool, until unless you are enabling the type of application for the pool, you will not be able to use it. So for doing that, say OSD pool application enable RBD data pool. Sorry, save OSD pool data pool application enable. Sorry, my bad. You have to give after enable. You have to give the pool name. So data pool. So it will be setting it as a RBD. How you can verify whether the type is set properly? You can do save OSD dump, and then you can grab the pool name. So data pool. So you can see here data pool is application type is set to RBD. Now here one more thing you can see the replication size is 3 and minimum size is 2. Now I want to change the replication size to 2 and minimum size to 1. How you can set that? So save OSD pool set mean data pool mean underscore size 2. So it will be setting the minimum size to 2. Again you verify it back. So you can see minimum size is 2 whereas size is 3. So I just want to put it as a 1 and I'll put size equals to 2. So now what happens, instead of having two replicas, it will have one replica, and if one replica goes down, still your pool will be accessible via single replica. So again, let's verify it. So you can see the size is changed to 2 and minimum size is changed to 1. So like this, you can easily manage your Ceph pools. One more thing I just forgot to show you, like I showed you like how you can enable the application type. Now if you want to disable the application type, so that is very easy. Same command you run, say OSD pool application, then you put disable data pool RBD. So it will ask you to pass this flag again. So just copy, paste that flag, and this will be disabled. So you just verify it from here. So you should see there's no application type mentioned. So hope you have liked this video. If you really liked it, please press the like button in that YouTube channel and also share it with your friends, colleagues, so that they can also come to know about this video and they can also learn from it. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to it and press the like buttons, bell icon, so that you get the notification of upcoming videos. So thank you, thanks for your time. We'll see you in our next video.